Okay, so this time for pressure control, we are going to see what happens when we change our compliance. So remember, we are in pressure control, 9/5, getting a tidal volume of about 500. So our peak pressures are 14, and we have that 1-to-1 ratio. So if we change our ratio to a 2-to-1 ratio, what's going to happen? We're just going to change our ventilation pattern, we're going to alter our CO2, maybe change our oxygenation, but what's going to happen to our volumes? Anything? We wouldn't expect anything to change with our volumes because our pressures won't change with an I/E ratio change. So let's just change that to a 2-to-1 ratio and see that that happens. So you see it's asking you to confirm you're going to a high ratio, so click OK, and then you can go ahead and scroll up. So, no change in our peak pressures, no change in our volumes, we're at a 2-to-1 ratio. So now, let's change that compliance from 50 to 30. What are we going to expect to happen if our lungs become less compliant? Less compliant lungs at the same set pressure will result in a lower volume. So, let's see that. Alright, so we were just shy of 500 on our tidal volume, and now we're looking to be about 250. So we saw a drastic change in that tidal volume based on a change in our compliance. But as we expected, we didn't see a change in our peak pressures because we are in a pressure control mode. So again, our pressures will not change, our volumes will drastically change with the change in compliance.